Hi guys, today I'm going to show you JOULLE, the electric kettle from Stoke Voltaics. Really interesting device, especially an awesome thing for travel camping, but also can work at home or in your office. So that's the beautiful device. Comes with this versatile removable lid and it's made out of stainless steel, so really good quality, also easy to clean. And what's awesome is that the bottom never gets hot. I've already used that on sensitive surfaces, absolutely no problem. You can always touch it, you won't even feel that it's hot or so. It can be used up to half a liter, 16 ounces. And so we have three options: one for making hot water, one for cooking, and one extra function for popcorn. That's awesome. And we have also this convenient on-off button. But for hot water and popcorn, it will turn off anyway when everything is ready. And also very important to know is that this kettle only consumes 500 watts maximum, so it can be powered easily with most of the portable power stations. And it comes with this really awesome, beautiful, good insulation everywhere around. Comes even with this handle, so it is as good as it gets. So I'm going to show you everything we get in the box and then how to use it. And so here we have the packaging, also with some description, some specs, and we can see it's designed for voltage of 120 volts, so it's definitely good for travel camping, but it's not good for worldwide travel, of course, because it doesn't support 240 volts. So let's open, see what we get. So here we have it. It comes with this removable lid, soft plastic. Comes also with this strap. So we have some nice openings. So something maybe to just pour out something, then here to drink, and here either for ventilation or for a thin straw. And here inside we have the power cable, 3-prong, which is good for safety. Comes also with this nice hand strap, and it has some really good insulation outside, so if you want to keep something hot or just for handling something which is hot inside, can be really good. Then down here we have the opening for the 110 volts, so it's nicely protected here with this lid. And here on the back we have the 3 different options to heat something to drink, to heat some meal, and to heat the popcorns. And here we have the push button to activate that. And inside we have this nice description of the fill levels, starting with 4 ounces, 8 ounces, 12 ounces and 16 ounces, which is the maximum safe fill level. So after giving it a rough clean, I just want to check how long it takes to prepare a cup of tea or cup of coffee. So let's plug it in here. And we turn it around. We can see that we can easily choose the right setting. So here, of course, we are using the drink function on the left side. So I'm using a cup of cold water. And so I put the switch on the left side and start. You can see we get confirmation it's on drink, and we start the stopwatch to see how long it will take to heat up a cup of cold water. And so we can see the air bubbles after about 3 minutes, so it's really close to boiling point already, and I think we could use that. Of course, I think it would have been even faster if we would have kept the lid here on top. Yeah, now about half a minute later it is fully boiling, so definitely doesn't take too long to get a nice cup of tea or coffee. And now it has even turned off, so that's absolutely awesome that we have automatic turn off. So I removed the cable, and now thanks to the insulation I can still hold it. You can see, even though it's 100 degrees Celsius, use it here for this tea, fill it up. Absolutely awesome. By the way, if you have it turned on accidentally, you can always push again to turn it off, or also by switching the function it will turn off. And so now let's switch it to popcorn mode. I've added already a little bit of vegetable oil, and so I'm adding a little bit of corn here. I wouldn't add too much, maybe just covering the bottom. And now I turn it on and cover it to keep it hot. So let's wait and see. And also for the popcorn, I've added the stopwatch. I've added it a little bit late, I would say maybe 30 seconds later or so. So we can say after about 3 minutes into the popcorn mode, the corn starts popping. Yeah, we can hear that now even a little bit more. Popcorn starts popping, definitely. Yeah, now the activity has a little bit calmed down. Maybe it's good to shake it a little bit. And so a couple of corns are still popping even after the light has turned off. So also good to know, or very important to know, that also in the popcorn function the machine will turn off when it's ready. So don't take them out before, otherwise probably a lot of corn won't be popping. So wait here a little bit till everything is finished, maybe cooled down a little bit. For me, what's super important and really great is to feel that underneath it's absolutely cold. There is not a little bit of heat underneath, so it's absolutely safe to put it almost anywhere, even on sensitive surfaces like this here. So let's see what we got, and we can use this really awesome strap here to remove the lid so we don't have to touch the hot lid. And so we can see that popcorn has been popping nicely. So an awesome thing for drinks, food, and even for popcorn almost anywhere, wherever you want, at home, in the office, travel, camping. So this can be an awesome thing for you or as a special gift for friends and family. So I can highly recommend it. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.